morning, I'm Faye Thompson. It's getting cool in the Delta and we're going to do chili. Everybody thinks about chili when it starts turning cool. Well, first of all, we're going to pour 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we have 3 onions. I've already chopped these up, and all we're going to do is get this tender. And now we're going to put 4 peppers, bell peppers, ground up here. This saves a lot of time, and I don't figure y'all care about watching me chop this stuff up anyway. So all we're going to do is get this tender, and while this is getting tender, we're going to brown our meats over here. So we're just going to leave that alone for a little while. In this pan, we're going to do our sausage. We have 1 pound of sausage. It goes in this. And we have 2.5 pounds of ground beef. That looks like a lot of meat. May have to get us a bigger pan. And what we're going to do is just brown this. Let's chop this up. This chili has a sausage in it. You don't see a lot of chili recipes that have sausage in it. I think it adds to it, makes it taste better. I think you're better if you don't buy it too lean. It gives it a little bit more flavor. I went to the flea market this week and I found me 2 cast iron skillets that had already been seasoned for years. They were so smooth inside. I really do like them. Sometimes it takes years to get your cast iron skillet seasoned right. I think our onions and pepper now are finished cooking. I'm going to turn them off. Now, I think this is ready. We're going to take this ladle and just get some of that grease off of it. I'm just going to try to get some of this off this way. By taking it off like this, you save it in a bowl, and if you think you need a little bit more fat in it, you can always add to it. Get some of this out of this bowl so I won't throw that away till I find out how much I need. We're going to add 1 stick of butter. We'll just let that melt. We're going to add Hunt's petite tomatoes, 6 cans of these in here. Pretty large recipe. We're going to stir that up a little. We got 4 tablespoons of parsley we're going to add to that. We've got 4 tablespoons of chili powder. We've got 6 tablespoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and we got 1.5 teaspoons of M.G. and 1.5 teaspoons of garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic if you want to. We're not using it here. The tomato juice is just whatever you like. I'm going to add about 32 ounces of this, and then I'm going to wait and look at it. So this has to cook for 30 minutes now. I'm adding another stick of butter to this. Now we've got 2 sticks in here. We're just going to let that melt. Now our tomatoes and spices are ready, and we're going to put our meat and sausage that we browned. We're going to put this in here. And we're going to put the other half of the butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. Now, we're going to cook this for 10 more minutes. We're going to cook that on about a medium heat. We don't want to cook it too fast. We're going to add 2 cans of pinto beans, and we do not drain them. We're going to cook that 5 more minutes, and we will be finished with our chili. We set it for 5 more minutes. Our chili is finished now. And it looks like, to me, it's about the right amount of tomato juice in it. But now, if you want it thinner, you can just add you some more tomato juice to it. You have some left over and you put it in the refrigerator, it's gonna thicken up, and when you take it out, just add you a little tomato juice, all you have to do. And that seemed about right for me, so we put 32 ounces in this. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope I see you on another video, and thank you for watching.